To create a new school,
tap on this Add button. It will take us to the Add School screen. We can see the default school name, which is example high school, and the default school address. Let's leave them like that for now. Next, tap on this drop-down list to select a country. We will take South Africa. Next, let's select a state or province in South Africa. We will take the Free State province. Leave the town name like that for now. Similarly, leave the rest of the school details as is. That is the zip code, the contact person, the telephone number, the WhatsApp number, the email address, the school motto, the number of days in a school week, the number of periods per day, the time at which the first period starts, and the duration of each period. Leave all of them as is. Now tap the Save button at the top. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first school in DreamTimetables app. If you tap the Save button again, you'll get an error message that says a school with this name in this country and this province already exists. It has already been created in DreamTimetables app. However, if you can leave the school name and country name like that and only change the name of the province or state and tap the Save button, that new school will be accepted. This is due to the fact that DreamTimetables app accepts schools that share the same name as long as they are in different provinces of the same country or in different countries. In other words, DreamTimetables app enables you to create schools for various countries and school systems at once using your mobile phone. Tap the back button to see our created schools. We can see that 2 South African schools with the same name have been created, but they are in different provinces. One is in the Northwest Province and the other is in the Free State Province of South Africa. Let's focus on the school in the Northwest Province. We can see that there are icons on the school widget plus an image. Avoid these 5 icons and the image and tap on any open space of the Northwest Province school where there are no icons. We will land on the School Settings and Configuration screen. This screen is where we can specify the levels or years or grades for this school. We can also specify the student classes, the teachers, the subjects, the availability times, and we can also define lesson allocations for this school. In this session, we are only interested in the school levels and the student classes. Tap on the School Levels widget. School levels in South Africa are called grades. We can see that there are 13 grades that DreamTimetables app has created by default, along with their descriptions. Grade R to Grade 3 are called the Foundation phase. Grade 4 to Grade 6 are called the Intermediate phase. Grade 7 to Grade 9 are called the Senior phase. And finally, Grade 10 to Grade 12 are called Further Education and Training phase, or FET phase in short. Tap the back button to return to the School Settings and Configuration screen. Now tap on the Student Classes widget. We can see that for each of the 13 grades or school levels that were created, DreamTimetables app has automatically created 26 classes. These grades and classes are based on the South African school system. DreamTimetables is configured to use the South African school system by default. In the coming sessions, we will see that one can easily delete grades and classes that are not relevant to their school, and even create new grades and classes that their school requires. What if we wanted to create school levels or grades and student classes for another country's school system, say for Ghana? That's very simple. To achieve that, tap the back button twice to return to the main screens. To select a school system for a specific country, tap on the anchor icon. You can see that by default, DreamTimetables app is set to use the South African school system or school structure. To change this setting, tap on the Change button. Then tap on the drop-down list to select another country. Select Ghana and tap on the Accept button to save the selection. Now the default school system is set to Ghana. From now on, any school that you create will use the Ghana school system until you change it. What if the country you were looking for didn't appear on the list of countries that were shown? For that, you need to notify DreamTimetables app support and provide them with that country's school system. Tap this question mark button to find out in what format you should email your country's school system. You can read the other details on your own, however, all you need to do is to send an email to this email address and in this format. You start with the country name, followed by the school levels and their description. The sequence numbers are important in order to ensure that the school levels are not sorted in alphabetic order. DreamTimetables App support will upload your country's school system on the DreamTimetables server, and it will be available to all DreamTimetables app users the world over. Tap on the Close button. Tap on the Close button again to go back to the school's screen. Now tap on the Add button to create a new school. Again, leave every other detail as is and change the country name to Ghana. Select any province or state in Ghana. Hit the Save button. Hit the Back button. We can see that our new school has been created. Tap any open space on the widget of our new school. Tap on the School Levels widget. We can see that the default Ghanaian school levels have been created, along with their descriptions. Hit the Back button and tap on the Student Classes widget. Again, we can see that for each of the school levels, 26 classes were created. Note that you can change your school system anytime and as many times as you like. The schools that you already created will not be affected by that change. They will keep their school systems that you used when creating them. In other words, DreamTimetables app enables you to create school for various countries and school systems at once. In the next session, let's get to know the school screen better by actually creating a school together. You will gain hands-on experience as we together create a school from scratch, step by step, and define its lessons and request for timetable generation and actually purchase a set of timetables. DreamTimetables app makes those tasks extremely easy and very enjoyable. In the process, we will apply all the school timetabling theory that we learned while explaining the various school timetables that are produced by DreamTimetables app. Let's get to it.